welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to explore IKEA. Let's take a bag and trolley. Hey kitchen, this is my kitchen for one day guys. How's it my kitchen? I have momo box, everything.
Finally you're back home now. Where you been now? I keep doing safai in house.
Oh my god. Husband doing safai in the house.
Okay. What do you want? What do you want to eat today?
I want to eat noodles.
Noodles, you can.
Oh, thank you.
Let me find pasta. We have pasta.
No, we don't have. What do you want to eat? Yeah, today we you have to eat grass today.
No, you are vegetarian, but I didn't accept this much vegetarian. It's fine for now, man.
That's our dining for today, guys.
Have you talked with Vinodji?
No, I didn't talk with Vinodji. Different types of chairs. Look at this. कितना प्यारा लग रहा है ये, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है बैम्बू लाइट्स के साथ ये कॉम्बिनेशन. They are showing the sample. Like you can decorate your room, washroom like this, and your room decoration like this. And here are the closets. It's washroom, right? Oh, for shower area.
Where's the king? Oh my god.
Easily we can sit here, we can enjoy. Even people are sleeping on bed also guys. There is no problem, you can feel it. Oh, smallest pan. I can cook in this chutney. These two dogs saying welcome. Welcome. Look at this light made by paper, right? Paper. I think so, made by paper. Tissue paper or paper?
This is paper.
Paper and cotton. Guys, baby room idea. This is for parents and this is for small baby. Look at this guys, carpet. Oh, let's enjoy here for a while. Oh. I'm lying on this bed and everybody is watching me, guys. Oh. IKEA magic. You can enjoy. I'm confused. Everybody will watch me when I am lying on this bed, Yuva.
Later. Welcome aboard.
Welcome कर रहे हैं guys. Welcome. Welcome.
All your relatives.
You're all my relatives. सबके सब बेड हैं guys. All our bed, king size, queen size bed. So you can choose as per your choice. Oh, I like this print. Cushions, wow. Our study tables, guys. Studio, study table for child. Office workers. आ जाओ भाई अब यहाँ पे। टू टू टू। ये देखो ये भी है। Elephant. So ये है sitting area.
Danny.
Oh, we're gonna sit and हम लोग कुछ खा लेते हैं because we are hungry. We want to eat something and thirsty also. Let's check the place for us first. Then we will sit. Huh? What are you doing? Are you playing?
I'm just checking how to play Mario.
Oh. Look at the behind dining area. So finally we got the seat. I'm gonna sit here. Oh. It's fine. Guys, your food arrived, but Sweden flag. So providing this kind of tray. If you have a lot of food, you can use this tray to put all the food back to the area where people can easily clean. चलो guys, अब हम pan वगैरह देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे. We'll check pan for kitchen. Oh my god, a lot different types of pans. China crockery and Japanese crockery style. And this all area is this, guys. Let me show you. Bamboo style. Most of the things I have checked, it's made in India. It's in Philippines. All this area is for carpet. My God. Even they are selling Indian carpet also, which is made by coconut. Which is made by coconut. Indian carpet. Let me show you. Look at this. This is made in India, as I know. I think so.
Made in India.
Yeah, look. Made in India, guys. These all carpets are made in India. Because it's made by coconut. Made by coconut, Indian carpet, selling in China. ये देखो guys. Made in India. हम आ चुके हैं light area, guys. Lanterns area. I will show you different styles of lanterns here. All countries, not only in China, Japanese, Sweden, America, England, all different countries style. European style are more there. Look. Here people also like European style. Italy, Europe, guys. Oh my God. Bamboo style is the best forever. Charger. They're also selling this. They have this kind of area where you can save your stuff before you are going in the shopping side. You can save your stuff here, lock and pay money according to the, I don't know how much price is it? Free?
Yeah.
Oh, you can, you don't need to pay money. You can just, put your stuff inside. Yeah. Password should be same. And then once you are coming back from the shopping mall, you can take your stuff back.
Password, then click this one.
Yeah.
Setting हो गया.
Yes. Wow, good service. You can save your stuff free of cost.
Achoo, you know so many people waiting for who?
Yeah, Chinese actor.
Three handsome actors.
Yeah.
For this movie, when Japanese invade us, we character busy soldiers in China, small island, when they fall in the water, almost lost life. You see? Let's go closer.
So they are coming?
Yeah, that's three actors.
Oh. I'm gonna see Chinese actor, guys.
You see?
Let's see.
We put Chinese fishermen. And here,
American.
English soldiers. English.
American soldiers.
English, UK.
Oh, UK. Okay, sorry. Let's wait.
You know that time who working in English army, UK army. A lot of Indian people working inside.
Yeah.
That means also here some Indian people, Indian soldiers, save their life. Let's see. They're all waiting.
All these are fans waiting for their.
Everybody running.
My bones will be break. Even I can't see it. Yeah. Oh, I see. My,
In the car.
I can't see.
我呢，今天是不是啊？上海块。这块。
Was clearing that show me more. Then we got information. They just came to nearby our house, just 100 meter shopping mall.
Now we're gonna see it.
Crazy. crazy.
Yeah, guys,
Chinese
crazy, crazy. It's similar like in India when we see any actor, artist, anyone. So we are also crazy, shouting and all. Here is also similar, but my ears totally burn. So I just want to give suggestion to you. If you guys really love any singer, any artist, please don't make crowd. Please don't make noise. It also impact on them. They are also human like us. So be soft and polite so that they can easily stand and enjoy. You know. Otherwise, that's the reason they always go first.
But that's called crazy fan.
Yeah, that's called crazy fan also. It makes sense. Okay guys, now we're gonna close our video here only.
Haven't eaten anything.
We haven't eaten our dinner. We'll go home and eat because the shopping mall is very closer to our house. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.